Hello, my dear friends. My name is Binkle Gupta, and today we are here to discuss the chapter number 1 of class 12th, that is the reproduction. The first chapter deals with the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So, we dealt now in this chapter. So, biology in essence is the story of life on earth. What is biology? Bio. The meaning of bio is the life, the living world. Study is known as biology, and it comprises all who are living, as we know as we know in the previous classes, like in class 11th, that to whom we can say that the thing is living, the thing which can grow, the thing which has the knowing power of good and bad, that is the consciousness that we have dealt in the previous chapter in class 11. So hence we know that the consciousness is the major factor to say that yes, the thing is, or the people or any organism is living. So today we are dealing with the chapter number 1 of class 12th. As we have mentioned the name of the chapter, let's broad the page first. Biology in essence is the story of life on earth, कि किस तरीके से अर्थ पर हमारी जो लाइफ है वो जनरेट हुई है. इन सब की जो स्टोरीज़ हैं, इन सब के पीछे जो कहानियाँ हैं, वो हम किस में पढ़ते हैं, वो हम सीखते हैं, वो जो उसकी जानकारी हमको मिलती है बायोलॉजी में. दैट इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ लिविंग बीइंग. While individual organisms die without fail, species continue to live through millions of years unless threatened by natural or anthropogenic extinction. So, while individual organisms die without fail, species, जब तक हम इसके बारे में पढ़ाई करते हैं, जब तक कि कोई इंडिविजुअल को कोई ऐसी बीमारी ना हो जाए, या फिर कुछ ऐसी आर्टिफिशियल, या फिर आफ्टर टेकिंग द बर्थ इनटू द वर्ल्ड दे हैव गॉन थ्रू समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट नेचुरल, दैट थिंग इज़ कॉल्ड. तो उस प्रकार से उनकी डेथ ना हो जाए, तो उसकी पढ़ाई भी हम इसमें सीखते हैं. थ्रेटनिंग बाय नेचुरल और एंथ्रोपोजेनिक एक्सटिंक्शन. राइट, मतलब कि इसका कहने का ये तात्पर्य है कि एंथ्रोपोजेनिक या नेचुरल वे में किसी स्पीशीज़ की एक्सटिंक्शन हो जाना, जब तक ना हो जाए तब तक उसकी जो लाइफ ऑफ स्टडी है वो हम डील करते हैं बायोलॉजी में. बायोलॉजी डील्स द एंथ्रोपोजेनिक और natural process of living of any organism. Okay, next, reproduction becomes a vital process without which species cannot survive for long. रिप्रोडक्शन क्या होता है? ये एक ऐसा पार्ट है लिविंग बींग्स का या लिविंग स्पीशीज़ का, विदाउट दैट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ इज कैन नॉट हैपन. ओके, so it's a part of the living beings of all the organisms, without which species cannot survive for long. लंबे समय तक जो species of survival नहीं कर पाएगी if he or she cannot reproduce. Okay, so as the name suggests, what is reproduction? Reproduce means production करना again. For example, we are the species of our parents, so we all any species copy their progeny by the process of the reproduction. Okay, each individual leaves its progeny by asexual or sexual means. So there are two modes of reproduction by which the species can reproduce. The first one is the asexual one, the second one is the sexual one. Some organisms are able to reproduce through the asexual mode of reproduction, in which only one partner or one organism involved in the reproduction process, and in the second process, that is the sexual reproduction. In this process, the second mode of reproduction, the two mates are involved in the mating process to reproduce their copy or to grow their progeny into the world. Got it? I think I made myself clear here. each individual leaves its progeny by asexual or sexual means. Sexual mode of reproduction enables creation of new variants. जो हमारा सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है वो रिप्रोडक्शन एबल बनाता है क्रिएशन करने में ऑफ न्यू वेरिएंट्स. जो ये अब व्हाट आर द फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दीज टू मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. Asexual produces the clones basically, and the sexual one reproduce in the form of variation that comes through their parents from heredity process, that is belong to the genetics. That is a broad aspect, we talk it about in further session. So sexual mode of reproduction enables creation of the new variants. Variants, do you know what is the meaning of variation or variants? As we discussed, as we all know, that nowadays we saw the types of phones available in the market. So like S1 is the first model and the second one is the Pro. So these are some of the examples of the new generation variants of one model. So hence in the biology also it is also a science, that is a technical science, and it is a life science. So it also dealt with the one, if we reproduce through the sexual mode of reproduction, then the variations takes place normally, right? So it's a feature of the sexual mode of reproduction, guys. So that survival advantage is enhanced. And we also come to know about a point in the sexual mode of reproduction, that is in the variation process. If variation occurs, then the chances of stabilizing the progeny in the generations in the current scenario increases. समझ चाहती हूँ मैं भी. अगर वेरिएशन होता है सेक्शुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन के थ्रू, तो वेरिएशन होगा उसके थ्रू जितनी भी उनमें वैरायटी ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स आर फाउंड in a species, then the survival chances in the generation in the life is increases. The chances of being living in the life journey goes well. Okay, right. So this explains so that survival advantage is enhanced, as written in the NCERT. This unit explains the details of reproductive processes in flowering plants. ये जो यूनिट है हमारी, ये किस में डील करेगी? ये डील करेगी रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोसेस. हम जानेंगे कि जो हमारे फ्लावर्स होते हैं, जो हमारे कैनोपी है, जो पेड़ पौधे हैं, उनमें किस तरीके से रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस अकर होता है, वो हम जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में. सो दिस यूनिट एक्सप्लेन्स द डिटेल्स ऑफ द reproductive processes, right? What are the processes which occurs to reproduce in the plants, how they reproduce, the processes, where the various processes in flowering plants and humans as easy to relate representative examples. और हम इसमें ये भी जानेंगे कि जो ह्यूमन्स हैं उनमें भी किस तरीके से रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोसेसेस अकर होता है, और उनको हम रिलेट भी करेंगे, रिजेंबल भी करेंगे. वी ऑल्सो रिलेट with the two species. Okay, a related perspective on human reproductive health and how reproductive ill health can be avoided is also presented to complete our understanding of biology of reproduction. It is also very important nowadays, as this says that reproductive health, human reproductive health is very important. We dealt with the precautions, some of the precautions via going in a processes of the reproduction. We study that. So it's very important to aware ourselves and to all the organism to have some precautions and have healthy health while these reproductive processes occurrence, right? Also presented to complete our there are two aspects of anything, that is the advantages and the disadvantages, the pros and cons. So if we have if we are going in a reproductive process, then we need to know some pros and cons. All we must know the pros and cons of this. That is the what are the what are the ill effect of that. What are the circumstances that can occur during the process of reproduction? What are the benefits, and what are the how can we protect ourselves in some critical situation? So these all things we will dealt here. So this is the brief about the chapter, that is the chapter number 1 of class 12, sexual reproduction of flowering plants. Okay, so we will dealt with the, I think there is something more in this chapter. Yes, there is a scientist name called Panchanan Maheshwari, born on 1904 1966. So there's a small brief introduction about him. So we must know about the writers and the authors of any book, so that we can aware of them, and the questions arises from here in the NEET and the medical and the research examinations point of view is very important. So we must aware and made our brain like this. So yeah, that's a brief about the chapter. If you like this video of mine, so do like, subscribe and share with the students and who need this. So it will help me to grow it further and grow with us. Thank you.